All right, guys, for this next assessment or evaluation, what we want to determine is your ability to change directions, right? And one of our favorite ones here is going to be the 5-10-5, or also referred to as the Pro Shuttle, okay? And essentially what you're going to need for this is, again, you're going to need a football field that already has those 5-yard mark hash, or if you're on a regular field, you're going to need a measuring tape to be able to measure out 5 yards, 15 feet, so that you can essentially create your markers. So as you can see here on our turf, we have our middle marker, right, which is straight down the line. And then as you're going to see to my right, 15 feet or 5 yards is going to be another marker, a cone, and a piece of tape. It's important that you have that line there. And then you're going to see to our left, you're going to see at another 5 yards, a cone and a piece of tape. So from this marker to this marker, I have 10 yards, and in between I have a 5-yard. Now you as the athlete, Jordan, go ahead and come show, are going to start at the middle cone. And you're going to start at that middle line by breaking the midline of your body directly down the middle and separate that line, separate your body with that line, all right? So it's going to run straight up your midline. Now from here, what we're going to do to test is we're going to run one to your left, one to your right. Doesn't matter which order that you do that. We just want to get 2 accurate times. Initially, what the athlete is going to do, just like we did with the speed, he's going to set up, he's going to put the hand in direction that he's going to on the line. So right now, he's going to go head over to his right from that with his hand on the right. So just like we did with speed, the timer's going to sit here. He's going to give him the thumbs up, and then the minute that Jordan or the athlete begins to go, the timer is going to start the clock. So go ahead and walk through it for me. And boom, I start. Slow down, slow down, slow down. The athlete is going to come over here really rapidly, and the athlete is going to touch the line, right, with their right hand. So it's very important that you're touching it with your right hand because you're never turning in any direction. Then the athlete is going to sprint back down 10 yards, and then the athlete is going to touch the line with the left hand. Then the athlete is going to finish by sprinting 5 yards, and then the timer will stop it when the first body part crosses that line. Okay? So it's extremely important when running the 5-10-5 that when you're running to your right, you don't turn and touch with your left and flip your hips. You want to keep your shoulders square and your hips square to whichever direction you're facing. So if I'm going right, I'm going to hit my right. If I go to my left, I'm going to tap with my left hand. And an accurate measure is if you tap the line and then that timer stops the timer once they cross that last 5-yard marker. And that gives us an accurate measurement of your ability to change directions with a predetermined cone drill that allows us to determine your quickness and agility. There you have it for the Pro Shuttle.